Just want to show you something I did. What I did was these brackets here. You see the bracket right there? That one right there. Well, in the other video that I watched, they were taking those off. And it's really hard to get in there to unbolt that. I don't know how they did it. But I'm going to leave it on. And what I did was I pulled the... See this coil here? There's like a little thing. I can kind of show you probably. It kind of fits in there. It's a grommet. And it fits up in there. So this thing has a grommet. Fits in the grommet. It's a piece of metal on here that fits inside of here. And it's a rubber grommet. But to hold it up there, what I did is I put this bungee strap. See the bungee strap? I ran it all the way around and I ran it underneath the car. So it's pulling, basically it's pulling that transmission cooler coil up into here, so I don't have to hold on to it, because it's really hard. I don't know why they did that in the other video. They took it apart that way, but this is easier. And then the same thing here, I'm pulling this up, pulling that up, and then I'm going to go ahead and bolt it in down there, right here. See that right there? I'm going to bolt this part in next, right there. So that's it. Once I get that bolted in, then this thing should be tight. And I think that's it. I can't remember all the bolts I got to do, but I know that's pretty much the tough part. I just wanted to show you these bungee strap ideal. It's holding up this thing. If I didn't have the bungee strap, this radiator coil would be hanging down. But these bungee straps are holding it right in place, and I can just bolt it back in place. So that's going to be easy, pretty sure. All right. Well, this is something you might gain from this different process. So I hope that helps you. Let's just do what Jesus tells us to do, and we'll be okay. Amen.